Today I'm going to talk about cyberbullying and digital drama. Cyberbullying is when someone uses technology to threaten, target, or embarrass someone online. Digital drama is a newer saying that explains different types of abuse and violence between people online. Many times when students bully online, they usually don't think of how the other person feels on the other side. According to Hillsborough County Public Schools, 1 in 3 teens have been cyberbullied. Cyberbullying can have long-term effects on a person, including anxiety, depression, and even suicide. It is easy to say something online and forget about it, but you need to know that the other person is not going to forget about it, and it can affect how they feel every day. Some signs that someone is being cyberbullied may include feeling really emotional when they're online or on their phone, being distant from friends and family, and they can also include getting anxious when they receive a text or having changes in eating and sleeping habits. Some types of cyber abuse can include continuing to talk to a student even after they say to stop. They can also include sending threats to someone or posting false information about someone that everyone thinks is true just to embarrass them. It's extremely important when you have experienced cyberbullying to report it to an adult immediately. You can also keep a record of the bullying that takes place so you have information to back up what happened to you. An important phrase to remember if you are being cyberbullied is to stop, block, and tell. Stop talking to the person and take a little bit of time to calm yourself down, block the person that is cyberbullying you, and tell a trusted adult. It's important to know that if you are being bullied online, it's not your fault and that there are people out there that want to help you.